How can you profit in the Forex market if you're starting with a small account and you're starting out as a new trader? Let's talk about that and more right now. Hey traders, it's Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 403. Now this week I received an email from a guy over in the UK who's actually in the army, and he's saying, look, I'm looking at leaving, but I want to ensure that when I start trading, I'm actually going to make some money. How do I do that? I'm new to this, I don't know anything about it, and my concern is that when I start trading, because I'm new and I don't know what I'm doing, I'm going to lose money and I'm going to lose confidence, give up, and it's just not going to work. So can you give me some suggestions? And I went back to him and I said, look, there is nothing more powerful than being involved with a group of successful people. It doesn't matter what you want to do. If you're into sports, you're going to learn how to sort of be good at that sport, let's say from sports groups and mentors, tutors, coaches. If you want to do good things in music, you go and join a band and you learn how to play as a group, that type of thing. And I said to him, look, to be honest, that trading is no different. Yes, you can do it alone. Yes, you can find things online, and you may or you may not eventually, make it work for you. But the problem is that eventually question is the problem. And what can you do to ensure that, obviously this guy's in the army, he's a team guy, he sort of works hard as a group, etc. And I said, look, all you have to do is exactly the same as that, but find someone like that in trading. And I want to give you some real examples from this week. These are real actual trades that we've taken because I said to him, look, just look at this week as an example. I said, well, February just gone, we had 6.2% on our daily trades. So you could have followed along with that, because my point to him was actually about why not follow good traders and profitable people so that you're growing your account while you're learning, rather than just throwing money away on just random trades and losing trades. So from this week, we've had a trade on the weekly charts that closed out with a 4.2 to 1 reward to risk on the Australian Canadian dollar. It's actually from the previous week, but it closed this week, 4.2 to 1. So, risking half of 1% on that trade, 2.1% gain on your account. How's that for confidence? Just one trade. On our forum site this week, we've had trades posted on the 12-hour, the 8-hour, the 6-hour, the 4-hour, the 2-hour, the 1-hour, 30-minute charts, all profitable trades for people to follow along with. We've had daily trades that have gone well. Our breakout's gone well. We've had a trade yesterday, so this was an interesting one and a prime example. As I was putting together my weekly live webinar for clients yesterday afternoon my time, popped a post on our forum site saying Canadian yen, buy trade 6-hour charts. One of our clients popped it on there and said, look, this is looking really good. When the candle closes in 10 minutes, this is looking good. I was preparing the webinar, I went to look at the Canadian yen, and I wrote back to him and I said, look, this trade looks fantastic. I'm taking it. And so I took it, posted on the forum, put the screenshot on there. People could follow along because they get notified of posts like that. And the trade has hit full profit. And on that Canadian yen trade, I made a 3.1 reward to risk. So 0.5% risk again, just over another 1.5% account gain. Our daily trades just closed just like 10 minutes before I made this video, Friday morning here in New Zealand. 2.9 to 1 reward to risk. Again, pretty much or 1.45% account gain. That was posted on our membership site earlier this week. On that live webinar last night, my time, Hayden, a client of ours, mentioned towards the end a 30-minute chart trade on the pound yen. We looked at it, we go, yep, Hayden, awesome, thank you for writing that down. He typed it in live on the forum. Made a 1.9 to 1 reward to risk, pretty much a 1% gain, 0.5% risk on that trade. And currently right now, as I'm making this video, I've got live trades which have all been posted on the forum site or on our daily trade suggestions on the membership site. Currently I'm up 1.5% on open trades as well. So you put all that together and you think, well, as a new trader, wouldn't I really want to be part of this? Yes, the results are great, but it's about learning how to do that as well, and learning in real time, following people, and basically you are educating yourself with a group of knowledgeable, experienced, real life traders. And that to me is the way for you if you're a new trader or you're starting out with a small account, is that you have to learn to do that and to see those trades and take those trades, and there is no better way than doing this. There's just 3 different methods as well. By the way, we've got our forum site, our daily trades, and our live webinars. So 3 different places to go and follow along and profit from what we're doing. So follow good, profitable traders while you're learning. And you'll then develop into like Hayden, who put the pound yen on the forum site, like the guy Gillo, who put the Canadian yen on there as well on the forum site yesterday for me to follow, and I profited from that because I wouldn't have seen that trade otherwise. It popped up there, and to be honest, I wouldn't have taken the pound yen on the 30-minute chart either, because normally I don't look at 30-minute charts. But there it was on the forum site. So I myself have profited from 2 of our clients posting really good trades this week. Happens all the time. There's plenty other examples as well. But look, if you are starting new, you're starting with a small account and you want to ensure that you make some money, but also you're making a percentage gain, that's the important point. Don't look at it and jump in and go, well, look, on a $1,000 account, I might have made $200 or $100 this week, and that's not enough to live on. You can't expect to do that on a $1,000 account. But what you have to do is go, well, look, I've made 10% on my account with low risk. And that's the important point, because eventually your account, when you get good, will grow. You'll be able to put more money into it. Your account will grow itself. So walk before you can run. Start small, but start properly first time. I hope that helps. I'm going to put a link on near this on this page to this to our course. If it's any interest to you, you know where to find us. We've been doing this almost 12 years. By the way, in May we celebrate our 12th birthday here at the Forex Trading Coach. Not too many others can say that. We're really proud of that. We've gone over 3,000 clients now in 93 countries around the world. Look, it's worked over all those years. It just works. We love what we're doing. We love helping people. We love seeing the success of our clients. If you want to join us, you know where we are. This is Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach. I'll see you this time next week. Bye for now.